Hey guys, it's JC Plays, and where we left off, because that slime that we made the last time, which is with the same stuff but the different salt, because it failed, so I'm trying it again. Let's do this. First you'll need, it's the same ingredients, okay? First you'll need soap. A bit too much salt. Oh God, please, no, no. Wait, there's still some I can add. That bit. Whoa, bubble! Oh my God! Oh my God. Okay, you think that's enough for the whole washing? I could just add a bit. I failed. We added too much table salt. Mommy, there's no use in doing it. She's mixing it. Hello, where have you been? Bye guys, I must leave it for a couple of days, see if it will dry out and make complete slime. Or I could just make a video straight after this. Guys, I have one in the background. I can't see it from the bed. Oh my God. Failure. Bye guys, subscribe, like and comment. Bye. Bye. Bye.